Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw the awesome new Kraken Titan from the Skull Island Kong series on Netflix. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with the Kraken Titan from the new Kong series, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right up here, and I'm just going to begin by making a small circle for one eye, and then I'll make another smaller circle for the second eye. And then you just want to put a little line inside each one. Next, I'm going to make a little line that comes up and then even farther up around it, and we'll kind of bring it in. And then we're going to put some little lines underneath the eyes. I'll make a little curve shape right here. And then I'm going to bring this up. Now we're going to make the beak of the Kraken right here. So let's draw a line that comes down, and we're going to bring this up, and then a little line down for some detail. Next, right here, I'm going to curve this, and I'm going to curve this around, and then I'm going to bring it back to here. Then I'm going to make another little line that's going to come out and up, and then a little line here for the mouth. We'll add another little curve here. Now starting here, I'm going to come out, we're going to go up and in and right around the eyes. And then right here, I'm going to bring this up to here. I'm going to curve this around and down. And I'm going to bring this in. I'm going to make a line that's going to come out. I'm going to bring this up and around here. Next, I'm going to make a long point over here, and then another really long point over here. Then I'm going to put some little points on here. Put one here, a longer one up here, and then one right here. And then we're going to connect it with some curved lines. We'll put a few little detail lines here, and then two little black dots right there. Now we're actually going to move down a little bit because this next part needs to be in front of most of the drawings here. So I'm going to start here with one of the arms. So I'm going to make a line that's going to curve up like this. It's going to come down, and then it's going to connect. I'm going to make a pointed line that's going to come up and down. And this is going to come down and back to here. Make another one that's a point, and it's going to come up here for kind of like these weird pointed crab claws. Now, starting right here, I'm going to make some tentacles. So I'm going to draw a line that curves down here, and then one that's going to come up. I want to make one that's going to come down here, and it's going to go up. And one's going to curve here and come right around there. We'll connect this. We'll do a curve here, and I'm going to bring this line out, and we're going to come out to here to a point and bring it back. We're going to make the other one here and bring it out to here. And then we can put some little suction cups on here. We can put some suction cups on here and over here. and a few right there. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come down and up. It's going to go over, down, and then up. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out, down, and in. And another one that goes over, down, and in, a little smaller. We'll draw a line that's going to come up, down. It's going to come down here and up. And then we're going to make a pointed, jagged line. Then I'm going to bring this one down to a point and then up to here. We'll make another pointed line here and then up. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and up with a point. And I'm going to make a line that's going to come here and a line here. Now, starting here, I'm going to go up. We're going to go over. I'm going to come down and connect to here. Right here, I'm going to bring this down and up. And then right here, I'm going to curve this around and bring it up here. And we'll connect that there. Now, starting here, I'm going to make some long tentacles. So I'm going to bring a curvy line that comes around. We're going to make it pointed and then come up. And then I'm just going to bring this all the way back here. We'll do a little curve there. Connect this part of the body. And then we'll make another tentacle here. We're going to make a long line that's going to come out. Make a point here. And then we're just going to bring this back. I'm going to curve this up. And I'm going to bring this up. I'll bring this line out, and we'll put a couple little points on it here. I'll do some little curves here. One here and down. Now we're going to bring this part of the tail up. It's going to come up and then down. Little skinny line here. Another little skinny line here. One here. And one right here. Next, we're going to bring this up and down. And then we're going to put a few little points on here. So we're going to go up and down with a point. We're going to go down and bring it up. Down and then up, and we're going to bring it back to here. We'll put some little curves in here. And a little curve there. I want to put a line that goes down and up, down and up, down and up. Now, I'm going to put another tentacle over here. So I'm going to bring a line that's going to curve around a few times like this. We're going to put some points on it like that. And then we're just going to bring it back here. I'll put a little curve. And then I'll start down here and bring it towards the body. I'll do one more over here. This one's going to kind of go behind, so we'll curve down. And then we'll jump to here. We'll curve this one down. And then we'll jump all the way back to here. Now, at the ends of each of these tentacles, he's got these little hooks. So I'm going to put these little sharp pointed hooks at the end of our tentacles. Now, one of the last things that the Kraken Titan has, it has these long, like red, skinny tentacles. But I'm actually not going to draw these. I'm actually going to wait to do these in marker because they're so long and skinny. Now, if you actually want to include them, that's fine. All you have to do is draw about 6 of them coming from up here, and you're just going to bring them kind of all over. It's really however you want to put them, but they're just going to be kind of long and wavy. But I'm going to wait to do that in the marker. But there you go. There is your drawing of the Kraken Titan from the new series Kong Skull Island. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.